Welcome back to freehighschooleducation.com. Today we are going to do an exercise session for chapter 4.8, page 156. We start with number 2. If a record is marked 8.99 and the tax is 7%, what is the total price? Here the tax is added to the total price and it's 7% of the price. The price is 8.99 and we need to get 7% of this, so times 7 over 100, and that gives us the amount of tax that's added to the price, and that's rounded is 0.63. This is added to the price, and that's 9.62, and that's the price. Number 4, the regular price of a tape is $8. If the discount is 20%, what is the sale price? The discount is removed from the regular price, so first we get the discount, and that's 8 times 20 over 100. And that's 1.6. So $8 minus 1.60 equals 6.4. So that's the sale price for the record. Number 6, Matt was paid $125 last week plus a 5% commission on his sales of $6,720. He was paid 5% commission on this, so we multiply this by 5 over 100 to get how much he was paid. Now what were his total earnings? So part of his total earnings is the commission, which we are going to get right now. And that's 336. This is added to his base salary, which is 125. And the number is 461. And that's how much he was paid that week. Number 8. Mr. King bought 150 shares of stock at $39 per share plus 3.5% commission. How much did he pay in all? So he bought 150 shares at 39. So let's see how much he paid for this at 39. $5,850, and he paid 3.5% commission on this. So we get the commission 5,850 times 3.5 over 100. It's easier to do it this way. And that's 204.75. This commission is added to the price of the shares. So 5,850 plus 204.75, and that's equal to 6054.75. So he paid in total this amount. Number 10, a camera selling price is $260. Find the dealer's cost if the profit is 30% of the cost. Here, the initial cost is not known, and so we put it as X. And the dealer adds 30% to the cost of the camera, and so we add to this 30%, and that will be 30 over 100 times X. Now, if the profit is added to the original price, we will cut this right away, 3 over 10X. That's equal to the selling price, which is 260. In this case here, it's easier to multiply by 10, both sides. So multiply by 10. And we get 10x plus 3x equals to 2600. 13x equals to 2600. We divide both sides by 13, and we can see 26 is double the 300, so x equals to 200. And that's the dealer's price for the camera. Number 12, Sophia is paid 125 plus a commission of 15% on all sales over 300. What must be her total sales be if she is to earn a total of 185? So her total sales is unknown, and she is paid commission only on the sales that's over 300. So on the first $300, she's not paid any commission. So if the total sales is X, then her commission is 15 over 100, 15%, X minus 300. This 300, she's not paid any commission on it. And X is the total sales. Now you can say from the beginning that X is the total sales excluding 300, and then at the end you add the 300 to it. So she earns commission this much on the sales, plus she has a base salary of 125, and she wants the whole thing to be 185. So here we can multiply inside by 0.15, since this is 0.15 if we remove the 100. So 0.15x, and here when we multiply by 300, the two zeros cancel the two zeros, and we are left with 3 times 15, and that's minus 45, plus 125, equals 185. 0.15x. We take these numbers to the other side and change their signs, equals 185 minus 125 plus 45. So 0.15x equals 105. Now we divide by 0.15, and x equals to 700. So she has to make a $700 sales in order for her to make 185. Number 14, the regular price of video cassette recorder is $480. It is on sale for $390. Find the discount. The discount in percentage is first we have to find the difference between the two numbers, and then we compare it to the original price. So the difference between the two numbers, 480 minus 390, and that's equal to that's equal to 90. This 90 now is compared to the original price, and this comparison is changed into a percentage form. And that's 18.75%. Finally, number 16, the sale price of an item with a regular price R sold at a 15% discount is given by the formula S equals KR. Find the value of K, justify your answer. So here in general, the formula is S equals KR. Now we want to find the formula in a specific situation where we are giving 15% discount. So this is like a shop owner who has the regular price R, and he wants a quick formula to get the selling price or the sales price. And he wants to get the sales price for a discount of 15%. Now this is the general formula. It fits any discount, whether it is 1% or 10 or 20 and so on. We want it in a specific situation, which is 15%. So the sale price equals to the original price minus 15% of the original price, and that's 0.15 R. We change this to 15 over 100, and that's 0.15. This discount is multiplied by the regular price and minus from the regular price. So the sale price is equal to, this is 1 R, we minus it from 0.15, and that's 0.85 R. In this specific situation where we are having 15%, we are going to equate this sales price to this sales price in general. And so this amount is going to be equal to this amount. KR equals to 0.85 R, and we divide both sides by R, and we get K equals 0.85. So in this specific situation of 15% discount, you can use this formula. He knows the regular price, he multiplies it by 0.85, and he gets the sales price. You can see from the beginning, when we had this, we can compare this right away to this equation, this one to this one. The S compares to the S, the R to the R, and automatically K will be 0.85 if you do not want to do the calculations. So with this, we come to the end of this lesson, and we hope to see you again.